I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. My name is Carla. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So today's video, it is a whole house clean with me. I was cleaning my house from top to bottom, and now I am catching myself just sanitizing a little bit more. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm making sure that I'm wiping down surfaces, doorknobs, remote controls, the refrigerator handles, the cabinets, things like that. And also it is pollen season down here, so the kids have been outside playing, coming in and out. So I also wipe down the door, like our back door, because that's mainly the door that we use. We don't use our front door. But that is all that I'm doing in this video. I'm also baking some keto chocolate chip muffins, doing some laundry, changing some sheets. So this is packed with some motivation, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
Carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide from this city. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Running for you, I am running for you, I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
You guys, comment down below if I'm the only wife that has a husband who loves to just write things on the shower door. Every time I shower, there's either a heart or he'll leave me little love notes. It is so crazy because I get so irritated. It's super sweet, but it's like I have to wipe down that shower door almost every day just because he's leaving streaks, or whatever he drew will leave a streak, or the kids will come into our bathroom like, what is that a drawing of? Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know, but am I the only wife who has a husband like that?
I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm
Look at that dog hair, you guys. Bella sheds like crazy, but as I am doing this voiceover, she is completely shaved. I don't know if I shared it on my Instagram stories, but since obviously everything is closed, her groomers is also closed, so we had to give her a haircut ourselves. And my gosh, you guys, I have a newfound appreciation for dog groomers. It was horrible. So typically I pay for her about $105. They groom her, clip her nails, ears, teeth, all that great stuff. And then we went ahead and my husband went to a pet store and he picked up like a dog grooming kit. So it was about $100 or so. And that did not work, you guys, at all. But we managed, it took us about 4 hours to get all the hair off of her. All of it. And now she just looks so bald. It's so funny. But oh my gosh, you guys, the last few days I have seen less hair all over the carpet, all over my floor. Yeah, I love that.
forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Come on now, come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it light. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Come live a little bit of what you dream. Don't get stuck in what you cannot be. About time you drop that fight. When the heat be rising, we still gliding. Nothing's gonna change how we feel. It's a wondrous ride. Get away from the do's and don'ts.
Alright guys, make sure you have your oven preheating to 325 and let's go ahead and make some muffins.
Come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Loco paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Under the lazy evening sun.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't wait.
You will bake the muffins for 20 to 25 minutes at 325, and you guys, they are delicious. Alright, so everything is done here. I moved Bella's bed from here, from here to here because someone is very spoiled and she likes sitting over here and laying over here because she can look outside both ways. So when her bed was over there, she would just come and lie on the floor here and not in her bed. So I went ahead and moved her bed back. That way she can lay here and she can look out the window. So yeah, but I finished up here. Then let me take you guys here. So that's cleaned up. I decided to put this little wreath up here. It's lamb's ear, and I'm still not 100% sure. I don't know if I should put this other one on outside. I don't know what to do. And then I thought possibly put the windows here. So I don't know. I'm just so confused how they would look. Maybe, I don't know. But these chocolate chip keto muffins are in the oven, so we're gonna wait for that to be done. We are having turkey, well, we're having turkey tacos, or is that how you say it, I guess, with turkey. That's what we're having tonight. I don't know if I want that one up there or this one up there. I'm not sure what I want, because it looks kind of small, so I don't know if to put those in the kitchen or I have no idea, you guys. I don't know. Maybe once I take this wreath down, once Easter is over, maybe I might put it there. I'm still not sure. Oh, and these are super cute. I got these at Hobby Lobby the other day. There's 2 bunches in there and they were both $4 a piece. So I thought that was a pretty good deal and I like them. I think they look pretty cute. But that is it for right now. I will get back on here once these chocolate keto muffins are done. It should be another, let's see, it says 15 more minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and figure out what to do with these wreaths, and I'll be back. We all have a routine and how we like to clean. So I typically start here first in the kids' room, and then I work my way to the bathroom, then I work my way to my son's room, and then I work my way to my room, and then I go on to the living area and the kitchen. So on this day I decided to start in my room, and then I went to the living room and the kitchen, and then I realized that I forgot about the kids' bedrooms in the back. So yeah, so after I was done with the keto muffins, or not done, but they were in the oven cooking, I went ahead and remembered that I still have not done the kids' room, so that is what I'm doing now.
Underneath the stars, so let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this, 'cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this.
Alright guys, let's take these out. They're pretty much done. Let's see. Yep. A little bit longer. I think this one was left in too long just because it only had a little bit, but here they are, the keto muffins. So these right here I added, these are going to be mine for the week. So I added flaxseed to these just because I wanted to see how it would taste in a muffin. I don't think I've added flaxseed except to like my oatmeal or my keto oatmeals. The rest are just normal chocolate chip ones, but yeah, so I added the little flaxseed, so hopefully that would taste, it's going to taste good. So alright you guys, well I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, do not forget to subscribe.